I hope that the judges of the ICC will see through the merits of the case and will not take into, how do I say this, and will not remove the possibility of this being a politically motivated action of the detractors of the former president. I hope that they will see through the arguments submitted by the prosecutors and hopefully see that there are no probable or sufficient evidences that will put the president through trial. And hopefully, if they with respect to the doctrine of complementarity, that if these charges are indeed really strong, it should be filed before our local courts, and that the judges should respect the sovereignty of the Philippines as an independent country and with free, law-abiding Filipinos.
Sir, sorry pa habol, since you mentioned yung local courts, so
Yes.
you believe yung mga accusations dapat nasa domestic courts?
Of course! Most definitely, ma'am, that this should be filed before our local courts because they are actually anchoring all of their charges or accusations on the war on drugs, which, by the way, characterized by then Secretary General Guevara, a completely legitimate police operation. Then all of the charges should be filed before our local courts because the Philippines judiciary is perfectly working and alive. So if you have respect to our magistrates, the dear magistrates, then it should have been filed before our courts.